Yo, what's up? How's it going, everybody? What it do? What it do? Alright, so it's your boy Hunter Boy Dugan. We're back with another video. If you actually peeped the video that I'm posting, well, today's I think June 18th. So it's Saturday. So I'm posting a video today explaining the future of my channel, why I haven't been posting too much, etc., etc. And also in that video, I also said that I actually bought a part for my car that's actually gonna help fix the car. As I said in the video, that my speedo is not working. It actually bounces right when I turn the car on. It bounces between 20 miles per hour when the car is on a dead standstill. So I looked up on Google, YouTube, whatever, and what they've been saying was that it's a speed sensor. So I bought a speed sensor from eBay. It's actually OEM Honda brand. It said it'll fit my car. So yeah, it just came in today, and I'm actually gonna go put it on right now. I'm gonna be watching the video how to do it, obviously, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. And yeah, let's go put this bad boy on. But hold up, you know what? Roll the intro, and then I'll show you what I got. All right, guys. So here's the speed sensor right here. I actually got it from eBay, like I just said, and I got it for like $20-something shipped. But here is the Honda part number. You know what I'm saying? In case y'all stumble upon my video and have this issue, it's likely gonna be a speed sensor. So here's the part number, and yeah, it's literally just this basic simple piece. Looks like it has a gear in the bottom. But this is what it is. It's literally on the transmission. But how I seen it from my car, it's literally such an easy thing. I don't have to do anything drastic. It's just take a couple bolts out, take the old one out, and put the new one in. Not even a couple bolts. It's literally just one bolt, and you connect the sensor. But all right, let's go outside and let me show you actually what is going on. All right, y'all. So we're actually in the car right now. Obviously, you see the beep. So see, on my speedo is obviously off. Turn the car on, instantly hits 20 miles per hour. And then when I turn the car on, it stays like that. And I move the car. And it's still look, just stays on 20. So obviously my speed sensor's bad, and that needs to be fixed. And thank God I got it in. It came in really pretty fast. It actually took only 3 days just to get it. So let's just go put this sucker on. Jesus Christ. Am I really struggling to get the freaking thing open right now? I do this all the time. Alright, so as you see, actually the speed sensor, if I'm not wrong, is actually right there. You see that little sensor that's showing right there? That's the sensor that you would need to take out. I'm gonna double check in the video, but 9 out of 10, I'm actually positive that that's the sensor you're gonna take out. Yeah, let me just go put my car on e-brake real quick, because it shouldn't be moving like that. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna suck at it being a YouTuber.
Retard! You fucking stupid retard!
So just double checked actually with the video, and it is indeed right here. It's a 12mm bolt. Alright, there's a 12mm bolt that's actually right up here. And then this is the sensor. All you got to do first is just unplug the sensor. Alright, easy fix. You just unplug the sensor, and then you take the 12mm. They say with an extension. I don't think I have an extension, so I'm going to try to, rough it out. And then you just honestly just put the new one in, put the bolt in, and you're all good to go. But let me go take this bolt out. Alright, I didn't record on the tripod, but I finally got this bolt right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's this bolt. For me, it was actually a 10mm. And I can feel it starting to twist out by hand, so I'm gonna get it out, and then we're gonna get this bad boy in. Alright, so I actually got the bolt loose, really loose this time. So now I'm actually throwing it out by hand. And then I can just pull this one out and show you how bad it is. So for me, it was actually a 10 millimeter. They say it was a 12. For me, it was a 10. So right there. And then, hold on, you know what? Let me get 2 hands to take this out. So as you see, I got the old one out. Definitely has like tranny fluid or something on it. Jesus Christ. But from my knowledge, it looks fine. The teeth don't look bad on it. So I don't know if this is supposed to have play. That's the new one. And yeah, this is the old one. Just gonna throw it out. But yeah, let's get the new one in. Honestly, I'm not gonna even try to like show you how to put it on, because you're definitely gonna need 2 hands to rip it out. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put this one on, and then I'm gonna see if it works or not. Alright, I'm not gonna try to be in the camera as much because my phone's dying, but got the new one in there. They say just hand thread the bolt as tight as you can and then tighten it down with a wrench or a socket, and then you're good to go. So I'm gonna put this on, see how good it is, tighten it good, and then start the car and see if it actually stays below 20. All right, got the sensor on. Moment of truth. Still nothing. Come on, man. I know it's down there good and low, so. Oh, man. Man, honestly, I don't know what else it could be. I'm just gonna do more research on it, but that's a brand new speed sensor, so I don't know what else to do, really. I might as well just keep looking it up and see what's wrong, but that's brand new, so I don't know why it wouldn't work. But it's brand new, like you seen it. It's from eBay, it's brand new. So I don't know if it's a speed sensor or it could be something else. I'm not, like I said, I'm not really knowledgeable. I'm just learning what as I go. So that's a major L. Literally just put that on for nothing, but hey, at least I know it's not the speed sensor. So I don't know if I should just throw the old one out or just, you know, keep it as a spare. I'm just probably just gonna throw it out, to be honest with you, or I really don't know. But yeah, that's kind of a bummer. I really thought this would work, but I'm just gonna double check, you know what I'm saying, probably push down on it more, see if it'll go down more. I'm not sure. And they both look like they were the same size. It's just the other one had a little bit more thickness to it. Well, I said it will fit my car, so I don't know, man. I really don't know what's going on. But I think I'm just gonna end the video here. It's your boy Underboy Doogie. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I keep diving into this and seeing what's wrong. I'm about to go ask around, ask some homies. But it's your boy Underboy Doogie. Like I said, don't forget again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.